cheese. Wait, does the paper plate go in there? So, what's this do again? What's this do?
You gotta figure it out.
Okay. Cool. Oh shoot, 3 minutes. I'll just cook it for like a little bit. Cheese. Maybe some hot cheese, maybe a malt milk. Oh shoot, actually. Told you. Don't believe me. You never believe me. Look at the cheese. Yummy. Need some more milk. A little bit longer. Wait like 5 more minutes. Yeah, she'll be right back. Oh no, what's that? Yeah, that's fair. Look how good that looks. Why is there red stuff in it? What does that mean? Oh, it's cooked. Hey, put it on. And this is how you make cheese. Yeah, these were fried. Let's actually put this on YouTube. This would be so funny. More cheese. Ooh. So a little bit of music. We gotta make it like burnt. Fried cheese. I'm the Leonardo da Vinci of cooking. Is this safe? We'll find out. We'll find out if it's safe.
I think you burnt it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to burn it.
No, that looks like burnt.
Mm-hmm. And there you have it. Dig it, because I don't know. There's no fork. And that's how you make fried cheese. Oh shoot, 6 times. I love fried cheese. So good. Ooh, hot. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna put some mustard on it. We're not putting mustard on it. Alright, yeah. About to take a bite. I'll make me another one. Dude! I might make like 3 in a row. Yeah, we're trying. That's perfect. I'm so genius.
You're not making 3 in a row.
2.
No.
1.
You have macaroni.
No. So, this fried cheese will be going on the macaroni. Alright, Jim. You can get off now. You can. Macaroni and cheese. Bon appetit.